Sihle sikhulumile nawe ngaphambilini usichazela ukuthi kwenzakaleni ungakuphinde futhi usilandise ukuthi uzwe kanjani wena ukuthi umalume wakho obamncane wakho ube ingcenye yababulewe.
Lento mina ayengiphathanga kahle neze ngoba obamncane ngiya abomna seswami ngiya garanta ukuthi ayikho into embi abeyenza. Ayikho into embi abeyenza. Ungabuza ngisho emphakathini ukhalo sekade ethandwa iwona wonke umuntu nje kade kuumuntu nje obehlalela nabangani bakhe laba abadala nalabo mama bephuzela. Ayikho into nje abeyenza ebhedayo. Yeah.
Ngokuthola kwakho kuthiwa kwenzekeni amaphoyisa afike kwenzakalani?
Kuthiwa amaphoyisa mayesho wona athi afike badubula qala bona ngaphakathi. Kodwa ubaba omncane kuthiwa futhi utholakala endlini yakhe. Angisabona lento leyo ukuthi ayiyenze sense. Yebo.
Bumazi umuntu esiphatha isikhali lo muntu futhi ongenayo entweni zobugebengu.
Siswami ukhalo wasekade ephuza isonto lonke alale isonto lonke. Pho manje isikhathi sesikhali kade ezosithatha. Ukhalo wasekade eshawa iwona wonke umuntu la. Eshawa ingane eshawa ngobani mase sephuzile ubedelele. Yebo.
Ngokubona kwakho udubuleke ngephuza.
Yeah, yiphutha. Yebo.
Laba abanye abashonile khona obubazi kubona.
Ngazi ababili kulabo abanye abadobulekile. Yebo.
Nabo izinto zobugebengu khona obubazela bona.
Chabo. Omunye naye lobe lapha yana uyihlobo sami naye lapha yana ilonto njani ikubo. Omunye bekuwumngani wababa omncane. Yebo.
Kuzokuba nalesigameko nje ubukhona ubugebengu kwebenibazi la emphakathini ukuthi kuyinkinga khona mhlawumbe aba involved. Kuyinkinga ubugebengu.
Vele nje vele ke eNanda siphila ngabo vele obugebengu. Yebo.
So manje emva kwalesigameko kukhona ufuna ukubona kwenzakalani?
Mina ngifuna ukubona ubulungiswa ngoba manje masithola endabeni kuthiwa bekuyizigebengu ezinhlanu kodwa obamncane wami mina angimazeli lutho. Yebo.
Well, that was Sihle Ntombela talking about his uncle, Siyabonga Carlos Ntombela, who is one of the deceased who was killed in the police shootout earlier this morning, where police say they killed 5 wanted suspects. Sihle is saying his uncle was never a criminal, according to him. He never knew him as a person who was involved in crime, as well as having owned any firearms. So he does not believe what the police are saying about him. And he also speaks on behalf of 2 other people that were killed in the shootout. He says he also never knew them, having been involved in criminal activities. But police are still investigating the case. And right just behind me, this is where the shooting happened. You can see down there police spokesperson Robert Nechunda, as well as other officers and locals. The crime scene is still active at this point, and as you can see, police tape cordons of the area, forensic teams just behind this house. They are still working, just combing the area for evidence, and you know, residents have been gathering around watching nervously, some, but others very angry because of what Sihle has just said to us. They don't believe what the police are saying about some of these, if not all of them, the deceased, that they were involved in criminal activities. And yeah, this incident does come after, you know, a rising concern about crime in the Inanda area and in this area of Besta, which is in Inanda. Inanda is known as an area that is problematic when it comes to various criminal activities. And so police are still investigating, and we are waiting to hear whether there are other suspects involved in this case.
Subscribe to this channel